In a quiet little farm, a tiny spinach plant named Spinach sprouted between rows of tall vegetables. Unlike the others, he felt small and unimportant. The tomatoes were bright red, the carrots were crunchy, but Spinach? He was just a bunch of green leaves. One day, a strong wind blew through the farm, knocking over the tall plants. The tomatoes tumbled, and the carrots were uprooted, but Spinach, with his low and sturdy leaves, remained untouched. When the farmer's daughter came to the garden, she noticed him standing strong. Excited, she picked Spinach and added him to her soup. "This spinach makes me strong," she said happily. From that day on, Spinach realized he wasn't just another plant, he was packed with strength and goodness. And so, he became the farm's quiet hero, proving that even the smallest greens could make the biggest difference.